Wow. What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to Spark Hoppers TV. Got so many nice gems to look at here. This is nice. Look at that. Nice Christmas decorations. So if you guys are wondering, where am I right now? I'm actually at the JW Marriott, right by the river here in Savannah, Georgia. And we got so many beautiful artifacts from Earth to look at. Hopefully you guys got a good view. I know there's a lot of glare going on, but I'm gonna try to capture it the best that I can. And I'm not gonna be talking too much. I'll talk every now and then. But if you're new to the channel, you like travel vlogs, Disney, just anywhere we go, we're gonna be doing food reviews and capturing the magic. So if you look here, there's 32 artifacts listed. You could pause the video and check them all out, but they're from Morocco, Brazil, Africa, Uruguay, Michigan, China, just all around the world. And it's just beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So many things to look at. I'm gonna try to capture it all in this video. But if you guys are ever in town, head over to the JW Marriott by the river. It's tucked in a corner, but well worth checking out. Wow, it's stunning. Look at this pink one right there. Just so many things to look at. Let's keep walking. So they got a little exhibit over here. Oh, look at this. A copper nugget, just like the one they had behind the case. And they got a beautiful Christmas tree here. And this over here, they call it the Stegosaurus stenops. That's what it says there, okay? Can't make that up. So feel free to pause at any time to truly cherish what we're looking at here. Trying to move around, make sure we dodge some of the crowds from around here. There's not too many people, but we'll do our best to capture everything. I don't know why I'm talking so stiff too, trying to be so proper. But look, over here we got a ammonite composite left half. It's kind of like a seashell. Look at this. Oh my god. This is a nice piece of amethyst. Over here as well. Oh, look at my better half over here. What are you doing, Mrs. Spark Hopper?
Trying to FaceTime my mom.
To show her?
Yeah.
We have this all nice. I just love the designs that they have. These are beautiful cuts. Let's go down here. Wow, look at that. I thought that was King Kong, and it's actually a giant bear. What a beautiful exhibit. Here we got a crocodile head fossil. Can't really see it too well. Has a lot of lighting. Mosasaurus jaw. Ooh. I am filming this at 1080p, 60 frames per second on the GoPro. Right here we're looking at the mammoth. What does it say? Mammoth tusk. That's what it is. Here we got a little meteorite. Guys, now I know my voice is like super stiff, and I'm sorry about that. I gotta be honest. But I'm just kind of like shocked. I don't even know what to say, honestly, with some of these things. I didn't expect for this to be here. We were just walking around town and we just grabbed a bite to eat. And out of nowhere, my wife is like, oh, I think I seen this online. Let's go in and check out, you know, the exhibit. And she was right, this place is amazing. And you don't have to rent here to check it out either. So here we got a clear quartz. We got a nice little metallic dinosaur exhibit up top. Imagine bringing a kid here. Got some souvenirs. You know what, before we continue down that way, let's go downstairs and see what they got. Let's go downstairs because I see a giant rock over there. Also got a little gingerbread house, a little Christmas magic. Could even catch some nice artwork over there too. So I don't think there's much going on down there except for that giant rock, honestly. But let's go see the artwork, why not? I'll take you guys with me on this ride. Wow. Light up artwork, super nice. So this is actually quartz with plagioglass and muscovite. I know I botched the name, but you get the idea. Wow, this is awesome. Let's go upstairs. We're back over here now. Let's look at these. They got in the glass. Oh look, some more copper. So, you know, after walking around and seeing most of them, you do realize that they got a lot of amethyst and quartz and copper, but the pieces are beautiful either way. This is a district boutique, actually. Got a little boutique. Uh-oh. Look who's here again.
Hi.
You like the place?
I love it.
We got some Swarballs. Look at this, baby. We got like a little pterodactyl up there too, hanging. And the big old dinosaur. Oh, this is another one.
A citron.
Yeah, this is like the one we saw when we first came in.
Yeah. It's one of the largest in the world.
We got a little bonus footage here. So what were you saying about this? This is like
So
a famous painting?
A famous picture from workers sitting on a steel bar, working like on a skyscraper.
And they have it here.
Recreated.
Yep. So they even got nice artwork just around the actual hotel, which is with pricing. In case you want to purchase it, you could buy it. Wow, now this is cool. Actually got it in there with like sand, and it looks like it's in a cage. Not in a cage, but like in a kind of like a coffin. We even got some talking polar bears. Wow, they even got one outside, babe. Look at these. I see they got a couple other things up top over there. Well, baby, it's time to say goodbye to everyone. Spark Hopper family.
Thank you for joining us. Until next time.
Hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you on the next one.
Peace out.